Namaste, this is Riddhi from Agri Analyze, and in this video we will see about path analysis. This is a multivariate technique. Path analysis helps to break the correlation into two parts, direct effect and indirect effect. So we will first see our dataset. Here is our dataset of the extension education. So our goal is to study the relation of score for adoption of risk management practices with the variable like age, social participation, annual income, and so on. So score for adoption of risk management practices will act as a dependent variable and other variables are act as an independent variable. This file need to be saved in a CSV format. So click on File, Save As. We will select CSV UTF-8 format from here. Now click on Save. Now jump to our website Agri Analyze. Click on Analytical Tool, then select Multivariate Analysis, and in that select Path Analysis. Upload the data file over here. Here you need to select the dependent variable as we discussed. The dependent variable is score for adoption of risk management practices. Now click on Submit. Here you need to pay some nominal charges for the analysis. Now click on Submit. Now download the zip file from here. The zip file will contain all the following stuff. Now we will first start with path coefficient. Here, these are the independent variable. On the diagonal are the direct effect of the independent variable and the off diagonal indirect effect via other variables. The last column of the correlation of the dependent variable and whether they are significant or not. The best way to check the path analysis being right or not is to select the direct and indirect effect, and the sum of the direct and indirect effect must be equal to the correlation of the dependent variable with that variable. So I will just sum the all values. Here you can see the values are matching, and the same for rest of the data also. So this is regarding the direct and indirect effect and the correlation of the dependent variable with an independent variable. The second file is the path analysis report that is automatically generated by Agri Analyze. So for each trait or each variable, the interpretation of the path analysis has been written over here. Also, it gives you an idea about the methodology reference that has been used in the calculation, and the interpretation regarding the residual result are also given over here. And the most important stuff, the unique thing, there is a path diagram. So this is the path diagram. Here let's see. X1 direct effect with Y, that is 0.859, and indirect effect with other variables is minus 0.107. Top 3 variable with indirect effect is X3, X6 and X5. So the solid line that represent direct effect and the dashed line represent the indirect effect, and here the residual value is given for the diagram. Here is the fourth file. The variables are written X1, X2, X3 up to the X9 and Y also. So mapping is given that which variable is represented by which symbol. You can add below the diagram while writing your paper. So this is all about path analysis. It is very useful for the exchange when people and other agriculture disciplines. If you have any type of question or any query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866556564. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.